It's Hack Manchester 2019, and with me I've got the team Trump's tremendously troublesome temperature transaction truths. Nailed it. And let's see who they are, where they're from. What's up? What's your name, mate?
Chris.
Chris, where are you from, Chris?
Wales.
And how do you know these? How do you know these guys? I mean,
I work with them. Yeah.
You work with them?
Yeah.
What company?
Codely.
Codely. Cool. So you're going for the Codely challenge? No, it's just best in show, isn't it?
Yeah. So obviously we're going to win that.
Yeah. You're going to get. What's your name, mate?
I'm Luke.
And what are you working on? What challenge are you going for?
So we've gone for the Insight Investment Challenge for comparing data,
finding correlations.
Finding correlation. Yeah. So we're basically using to prove to Trump that global warming is real through data about global warming relating to his shares or stock or something like that. So we're trying to find that data at the moment and actually prove it.
Okay.
But then we'll be using a Twitter API in order to basically send him tweets about.
To send him tweets.
To send him tweets.
Oh, right,
to inform him.
I thought you could use his. I thought you were going to use his tweets to correlate with other things.
Yeah, we are going to be using that as well.
Yeah.
To prove how that has affected his stock as well, and also we're potentially going to be using the TripAdvisor reviews on his hotels. Again, once there's been a global issue through global warming, we're going to use the TripAdvisor, see if that has actually gone down, his rating in relation to that.
Cool. What's your name, mate?
I'm Kieran.
What are you working on?
I'm currently gathering some data sets to do with the stock investment Donald Trump has.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, his companies are private companies, which means financial data is not that accessible.
Yeah. I think that's the whole big political thing, isn't it? People want the financial data.
Yeah, he's not willing to give it.
Yeah.
But he has got investments in 14 companies on the stock market.
Right, okay.
So I'm just pulling the data back and seeing if that's affected him in any way.
Cool. And what's your name?
I'm Nicola.
Nicola, what you do, Nicola?
I'm just looking into the Twitter side of it at the moment and seeing how we can create our Twitter bot and what information we can send and receive.
Sure. I mean, there's got to be like a Donald Trump tweet analyzer tool and stuff out there. Yeah, there is. So are you is this going to be set up to automatically tweet things or?
Yeah, I think we want to give the information to him of what we're finding.
Oh right, okay. Oh, so you're tweeting at Donald Trump?
Yeah, we want to let him know.
It'd be funny if he answered when he I mean, I'm sure he gets thousands a minute, but yes, that would be funny.
Yeah.
Okay, so and what's your role going forward then once you've got this data together?
That'll be when we discuss our next step.
Is that the next job then? So yeah, what's next then? Go for it.
So we're just importing data into a database at the minute, and then we're going to create some stored procedures to pull the data in, and once the front end of the website is made, then we'll be feeding data into that.
Cool.
Using stored procedures.
Yeah, are you doing the front end there?
Yeah, so I'm just doing an initial design at the minute on Illustrator, so obviously I've only just started. We've been doing working hard at our
Lorem Ipsum, wow, you've got a really far on that. Yeah.
So most of the time I spent creating this, so that's for our Twitter, so that's going to be
That's going to be your profile picture.
There's our profile picture, we've got it all set out.
Cool, that's the most important thing, obviously.
Yeah, so that's obviously priority number one.
Well, design informs every other step going forward.
Exactly. So yeah, then moving on to the front end stuff now, and then hopefully after that we'll be able to.
Sure. So, how are you feeling, guys? Feeling confident?
Yes.
You're gonna have something to show for it after another. Definitely.
Got some surprises on the video. So that's going to be
surprise. You got a video planned as well.
Yeah, video planned.
Of course.
We've got a spec here, so we actually do have a full-on detailed of what we planned spec.
Oh, that's far too boring. Right, okay. I'll see you later, guys. Cheers.